All right, on this 1970 Olds W30, this car only has 2,300 miles. Those are actual miles on this car. They have been documented every step of the way from the previous 3 owners prior to us getting it to freshen this car up to get it ready for the Barrett-Jackson auction. This is an outstanding car to have in my collection. It's going to be sad to see it move on to somebody else because probably one of the rarest W30s in existence, not only because of the miles, but literally because of the options on this car. A lot of detailed pictures, photos, and everything you need online to see on this car. It's going to be a great car to see in person and to see it go across the block. This is auction number, lot number 1309.1. This goes through on Saturday the 20th of January at about 2 to 3 o'clock time frame. There again, 1970 Olds W30 442. It's got 2,000 actual miles on this car.